Hi, I'm Tootie Wilson from TootieLicious.com. Today I'm going to teach you to make a lemon pudding pound cake. Let's get started. The ingredients we'll be using are 3 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 1 cup of butter, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 6 eggs, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, a half a teaspoon of salt. Then we have half a cup of sour cream or softened cream cheese. You can also use applesauce. Unsweetened is what I prefer. And if you decide to use this option, just use a half a cup in the mixture. 1 teaspoon lemon extract, 1 package lemon pudding. When you're making a pudding pound cake, I always use the dry pudding mix, and I mix it in after I mix in the flour. I mix the milk in with the wet ingredients, and I mix this in with the flour, and it just gives the cake a better feel and a softer texture, and it makes it a lot more moist actually. The next thing we'll do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First we'll cream the butter and sugar. Next we'll add in the eggs one at a time. And we'll continue to beat that mixture until all the eggs are added. Once all the eggs are added in, slowly add in the flour, about a half a cup at a time. Then you add in the sour cream, the applesauce, the baking soda, the vanilla extract, and the salt while beating the mixture on a low speed. And now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. 1 package lemon pudding. So now we're ready to bake our cake. So we're going to bake the cake for about an hour and 10 to 15 minutes, or until you can stick a toothpick inside the center. And if it comes out clean, then that means your cake is done. So there you go. That's how you make a lemon pudding pound cake.